Hey guys, here's a 1985 polished brass Hunter original ceiling fan with white blades. I picked this fan up off of Facebook Marketplace about a month ago for a very good price. It has this insanely long down rod on it, which I really couldn't get the double claw off of. That's why it's filmed in a weird position. It's a good working fan. It's a little bit dirty. I still need to clean it out. There's a lot of oil gunk all still in the vents and dust and all that crap. But it'll get cleaned out eventually. But without further ado, I'll try it out. Just low speed. It's a good fan. It's pretty quiet. It's medium speed. It did come with the canopy that is right here. I just don't have it pictured up there. It's a pretty good air mover. I'm feeling some air from it. Take that back. It's actually a very good air mover. Now turn it on to high speed. You can see some of the gunk and dust up there still, which I need to clean off. Now originally when I first saw this on Marketplace, I thought the blades were painted, but that sticker concluded that they weren't painted. There's the reversing switch. There's the tag. And there's the other tag. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.